Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do some gingerbread men. One of my granddaughters used to come over sometime and we would work with gingerbread. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take 1 cup of molasses. These molasses are kind of sticky. I have one grandson, Scott, that he loves molasses. And when he comes to see me, I had to fix him molasses and hot biscuits. There's 1/2 cup of shortening. We're going to put this on about medium high, and we're going to heat this until it's all melted. We're going to bring it to a boil on a medium heat. So I'm going to let that set aside now and cool, and it'll finish melting that shortening. We got to let it cool before we put our dry ingredients in it. So I don't know how long it's going to take to cool, but we just let it set aside there. Now that we've let our molasses and shortening get cool, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. We have 1½ cups of baking soda. We have 1 teaspoon of ginger. Be sure and get all that out. And we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we have 2 teaspoons of grated orange rind. You know what, I'm going to put that over there. Just mix all these dry ingredients up good. Then we'll mix it all with the molasses and the shortening that we got over there. Now we'll just mix this rind in here before we put that in here. Okay, we're ready to mix our dry ingredients. Okay, we've got our dry ingredients. We're going to mix with this. Okay, we got this mixed up, and we're going to put it in a refrigerator and let it sit for 2 hours. And then we'll come back and roll it out on a rolling board and be ready to cut our little gingerbread man. Now we've taken our gingerbread dough out of the refrigerator. I'm scattering them, trying to get all I can without reworking the dough. This would be fun to do this with some of the children, some of your grandchildren or great-grandchildren. I don't know, most little kids like to do stuff like this. Okay, a 350-degree oven, I've already got it preheated. It cooks 8 to 10 minutes. Now we have finished our gingerbread men. I thought it might be nice to just save them and let the kids decorate them. Then you won't know how tacky I decorate. But we have these little bags that would be cute to put them in. I put one in it already. It'd show them how to decorate it and give them a little bag with a gingerbread man in them. Anyway, I hope you work with your children with this and enjoy it as much as we do. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.